Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to change background color in TradingView, means the chart theme, how we can change it. So to do, you can firstly open your chart, then after go to settings. If you will not found the setting button in your top navigation bar, you can go to your chart, right click here and then click on settings. After that, once the settings will be open, now here you can scroll down and click on canvas, and now here you will see a background option. Now you can select it to solid or gradient mode, and then here is a color picker. To change the background color, means change the theme of your chart, you can tap on it and then select which one you want. Here you will see many options. Also you can add here your color which one you want. Okay, and once done, you can click on OK. So here is how you can easily change it. Okay, now we will see how we can change the chart theme background in TradingView application. So once you open the application, here you will see the chart. Now here you can click on the setting icon in your bottom right corner. Once you tap on it, here scroll down and click on more settings. And then here you can go back to open the settings section. And then here same as you can click on canvas. Now here you will see first option is a background option. Simple click on color picker and then change the color. And then click on OK. Now here you will see my chart background will be changed. Okay, goodbye.